Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. I've got a 2016 Volvo XC60 with the 2.0 turbo. I believe it's 2.0, but anyways, 4-cylinder turbo. We're doing this as a starter today, and there is said starter. So starter is not that bad to get to if it wasn't for an engineering what the F. So here is your old starter. All it has is 3 bolts, 3 13s. There is a pilot that you will need to make sure if the old one comes out, gets in the block, you either remove it and put the old one in, or use the new one, whichever. 13 here, 10 here for the connector. This is just a little spot for a an eyelet for a just some cables. But this is your engineering fuckery. This right here. So this is an 8mm bolt that goes through here from the bottom that attaches to a stupid ass bracket. See that silver bracket right there? Yeah. Why they need to have that on there, I can't tell you. But that is really the only reason why you're going to have to take the intake manifold out, turbo tube off, and all that, just to get to that 8mm. That's really it. Other than that, if that wasn't there, I would have been able to sneak it out through this side over here. But that is, yeah, whatever. Alright, so what I did, took off the air filter housing, get it up and out of the way. I disconnected some coolant hoses, one here, and one off the pump, so that I could move it out of the way so I could get to the 13mm bolts. Got one here, and one up under here you can't see. There is a little bolt cover right here that the other 13 goes on to. See right there? That's it. All that does is just sit over top. And those are just 13. They come off. And I would have been able to take it right out of this little spot right here if it weren't for that 8mm bolt down there. But so intake manifold comes off. I do not like disconnecting these kind of coolant hoses because they're usually very brittle, so I was able to just move it up and out of the way. I disconnected the purge valve, moved it up and out of the way. It goes right here under the intake manifold. Turbo hose, disconnect it from the throttle body, take it off down there from the worm gear clamp, and then that way I was able to take off just the bottom or the midsection part of the hose. Intake manifold is all 11mm. You have 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this piece just comes right off. Disconnect whatever connectors you need to get the things out of the way. There'll be several harness looms that you'll need to move out of the way. I did take off the connector for the knock sensor just to get this harness up out of the way enough in order to get the starter room that I need to get everything in this section. You don't have to, but that's what I did. So going back together, just go back same way. Make sure you do have coolant, obviously, and replace your intake manifold gasket. But once that is in, these little 2 clips right here for the turbo hose, like any other turbo hose that you've ever done, you'll need to get it past this point right here, and then the thing will come off. If you can get to it from down the bottom, you can then take it off and make it easier, or if you want to do it from the top here, you can do it that way, whichever. Your call. But other than that, there's not a whole lot to it, just a lot of fuckery going on. And that damn ass 8mm bolt down the bottom. Oh, like I said, if it wasn't for that, I would have been able to sneak it out the side over this way with no problem. Didn't even have to take turbo hose off or anything. But that is the Volvo XC60 with the 2.0. Any questions or comments? Feel free to let me know.